Hello, welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime a video is uploaded on this channel you get the notification. My old friends, I want to say thank you very much for always coming on board to watch a video, but please, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell. Today we are looking at how to design an institutional ID card. And so without much ado, we'll go straight to our design. So now we are using CX6, Photoshop CX6. The first thing is we will launch our project. Click on File, click on New, and then we will select our paper size. Now I've already inserted the paper size in the system. We are using 2.13 inches by 3.39 inches for our design. Good. Now this is our paper. So the next thing is I'll introduce a shape. I'll pick my pen tool and draw a shape. Good. My pen tool and draw a shape. Right. Now I have my shape. So I'll duplicate this one. Press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Ctrl J to duplicate it. Alright. So the next thing is I'll give the duplicate a color. Good. I want to differentiate it from the first shape, so I'll go to FS, color overlay, and then give it a color. Good. I think I have the color code, so let me set it. So this is the second image, the color for the second shape. Good. So what I will do is I'll do layer arrangement. I'll push this one up and then bring this one down. Push this one back. Okay. Good. Now I have my shape arranged nicely. The next thing is I'll introduce another shape. So I'll pick my pen tool and then draw another shape. Right there. Okay. So that is the second or the third shape. So what I will do is I'll do layer arrangement, bring it down, and then I have to change the color of this one. Go to FS, color overlay, and then change the color of this one. I think I'll leave the code under the description box, so those of you who want to try your hands on it, you can pick it and then try your hands on it. Okay, so the next thing is I'll just, with the help of the arrow keys, I'll position it nicely somewhere here. It is well positioned. Press OK. Press OK. Good. Now I'm done. So the next thing is I'll group them. Press Ctrl and then select the layers one after the other and group them. Okay, press Ctrl J. Press Ctrl J. Now I'm done. So the next thing is I'll arrange it nicely. Okay, then push this one somewhere here, stretch it. Okay, I think it's okay for me, so I'll press OK. Now I'm done. So I'll introduce my text. So the next thing is I have the text already installed in the system, so I'll pick my text, this one, press OK, and go to control, click on the text tool. Okay, and change the color of the text to white. Right, then press Ctrl V. I'll press Ctrl T to transform it. Okay. Press Ctrl T to transform it so that I'll get the nice thing I want to do. Okay, have it. So I'll introduce the next text. I'll pick my text. Okay, click on the text tool, press Ctrl V, but this time around we are using black. Okay, Ctrl V. Now I have it. Okay, press Ctrl T to transform it. Press Ctrl T to transform it. Alright, now you have to zoom your work so that you see what you are doing clear. Control plus to zoom it. Control plus to zoom it. Okay. You have to introduce a ruler so that the words will be aligned. Okay. Okay. I'll push this one up and then press Ctrl T to transform it. So what I'll do next is I'll group this one too. Press on it Ctrl and then institute and group it. I'll group this one. Okay. To introduce another shape, that is the ellipse tool. I'll pick my ellipse tool, press shift and then just drag to introduce my shape. I have my shape. I'll move it up somewhere here. Good. Then introduce my image. Press file, click on place, and then go to my system and pick my image. Somewhere the image is supposed to be. Okay. Please, the images and all the materials I'm using is for academic exercise and nothing else. It's solely for academic exercise. I do not own them. I copied them. I downloaded them from Google. Alright. I downloaded them from Google. Okay, now I have it, so I'll rasterize it. I'll rasterize this image. So I'll click on raster, right click and then select rasterize layer. And then I'll right click on it again and create clipping mask. Good, so I have it, so I have to position it nicely. Right. Now it's well positioned. The next thing is I'll click on the ellipse and the image and press Ctrl J to group that one too. Go to FS and select stroke. Now this time around I'm giving it a white stroke. The size will be 10. And then I'll pick a white color. Alright. Okay. Now I'm done. And the next thing is I'll introduce QR vector. So let me zoom it so that you can see what I'm doing clear. Wow. Place. I'll introduce my QR vector. Good. So what's happening? Okay. So what I'll do is I have to rasterize this one. Okay. I have to rasterize it, and then pick the rectangular marquee tool. I'll select my rectangular marquee tool and then draw a rectangle. Select that shape or image. I'll select it. Right click on the image and then click layer via cut. So the next thing is I'll delete the old one, so for me to get my new via cut, the one that I want to use. To position it somewhere here. Okay, I'll right click on it and then go to FS and select stroke. Okay, I'll change the stroke color. Let me pick this color. I think this one will do, and then give it a size of about 6. This is okay. Press OK, then press Shift plus Alt to reduce it small to my preferred size. Commit it and then position it nicely. I have to position it nicely somewhere. I think it's too small. Increase it small. Okay. So now it has been well positioned. I'll introduce another text. That is the name of the person. Good. Okay. So I have the name copied. Then I'll select my text tool and paste it. Good. Control V. Good. Press Control T to transform it. Press Control T to transform it. Good, I have it. Alright. That's well positioned. Move it up. That is the name of the person that we are designing the ID card for. Okay, I'll introduce another text. That is the job description. What he does or his role at the institution. Select the text tool and press Ctrl V to paste that one too. Good. I have to position it nicely somewhere here. Okay. Now it's well positioned. Okay. Now I'll introduce another text. I have the text already in the system, so I just copy and paste. Alright. Select the text tool and then click on the Ctrl V to paste it. Now the next thing is I'll press Ctrl T to transform the text. Okay. Let me position it nicely. So with the help of the move tool, you have to position it nicely. I think I have to introduce a ruler so that it will be aligned. Right. Put this one back. Okay. Yeah. Let me zoom it so that I can see it clear. Control plus plus to zoom it. Okay. This one somewhere here. Okay. I have to arrange this one nicely. Alright. Okay. Arrange nicely. you have to arrange your work nicely so that you get it clear. Press the commit key to commit it. Okay, now select the one and press Ctrl T just to transform it. Alright, transform it to get your preferred positioning, and then it will be arranged nicely. Alright, good. So if the institution has a logo or other stuff, you can introduce it. Control minus just to see what I'm doing clearly. Increase this one up small. Okay, I can also group this one, the graphic designer and the name. Press Ctrl G. I'll select the two and press Ctrl G. Ctrl G. I don't know why I've been always saying J, G, 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 J. Ctrl J. Good. Now we are done. So what I'll do is I'll clear, go to view and then clear the guys. Good. Now that is it. So thank you for your time. Please, as I always say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.